Hello, imagine coming home to this gorgeous pool home located in the highly desirable golf community of Crescent Oaks. Located on a peaceful street in a gated community, this home backs up to your very own conservation area on a rare 1.44 acres. Let nature inspire and relax you with stunning views from nearly every room in the home. With 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, the 3-way split floor plan creates distinct living areas and maximizes space to create a comfortable, family-oriented feel. This kitchen is a dream with quartz countertops, herringbone backsplash, wood cabinets with plenty of storage, and a generous island with seating. The master retreat is pure luxury with views of the Tranquil pool and conservation, access to the patio, and 2 walk-in closets. Now let's escape to your outdoor oasis. Your friends and family will love relaxing in the screened-in, heated saltwater pool, splish splashing by day and listening to the calming sounds of crickets and birds in the evening. Selected as the best golf course in Tampa Bay Times reader polls, Crescent Oaks Golf Club is a championship course with 18 unique and inspired holes, an amazing clubhouse, and a restaurant with bar for hosting large gatherings. This home is the epitome of living the Florida lifestyle. Call me, Kristen Vincelli, for your private showing today.